Bonjour tout le monde et bienvenue sur Irvin's French Class. In this video, we are going to cover the oral vowels in French. There are three different types of vowels in French: the orals, the nasals, and the semivowels. As we did in the previous video on the consonants, we are going to review all the oral vowel sounds together and their possible spellings. A, A. For that one, you see the position of my mouth slightly open, A, and my tongue is at the bottom, touching the back of my teeth. A, A. Let's repeat that. Papa, car. A can also be spelled with the accent grave on the top, okay? Like in the preposition A, A. And then with the accent circumflex as well, like in âge, pat, I. I. For that one, you need to stretch everything out. I. I. And my tongue is at the bottom, touching the back of my teeth. Let's do it. I. I. Like in Wi-Fi, mini. And I can also be spelled with the Y, okay? Like the pronoun I. Or in that city, Annecy, Annecy. E. You see the position of my mouth? E, and my tongue is at the bottom, touching the back of my teeth. Let's do it. E. And E can be spelled A, I together, like in français, with the accent aigu, like in été, with the combination of E and I together, like in freiner, ER also, so all the ER verbs are pronounced at the end as E, so parler. EZ also, like né, and EST, okay, the verbal ending. So he is, she is, il est, elle est, that's the E sound. E, same position for your tongue, but your mouth is more open. E, like the E accent grave, lève, or E accent circonflexe, être, or E and I also, like the number 13. E and two consonants, like for example, appel, or E and L, like cruel. O. So for that one, you see the position of my mouth, so round, right? My tongue is at the bottom and in the middle position. So let's do it. O, like numéro, tomate. And the O accent circonflexe is also pronounced as O, right? Bientôt, hôtel. And O can also be spelled A-U, like O, aussi. And also like E-A-U, like O, gâteau, O. So same position of your tongue at the bottom, kind of middle position, all right? But your mouth is more open. O, like in bol, os, U, usually quite hard for English speakers to pronounce. U. So my mouth is round, okay? And my tongue is at the bottom, touching the back of my teeth. Let's do it. U. Like in jus, humeur. And U can also be spelled with the accent circonflexe on the top. Du, sur. And also the past participle of avoir, remember, E and U together. So that's also the sound. U. Ou. You see the position of my mouth is kind of similar, but my tongue is that time a little bit more backwards, okay? Ou, like in vous, pour, also with the accent grave on the U, ou, and the accent circumflex on the U, like in cou, cou, e, e. You see the position of my mouth? And my tongue is at the bottom, touching the back of my teeth. E, e, like in le samedi. E can be spelled also EU, like in the number 2. And also that very special letter, le dans l'eau, okay, the E in the O, le dans l'eau, that's a letter in itself. It's O and E attached together, linked with a U, so the sound is E, like in V, V. You see the position of my mouth, more open than previously. Position of the tongue, kind of similar, at the bottom, touching the back of your teeth. Let's do it. Like beurre or heure. And it can also be spelled with E dans O and the U letter, okay, like in œuf, cœur. Voilà les amis, c'est tout pour cette vidéo. N'oubliez pas d'ajouter un pouce bleu et de vous abonner. Au revoir, à plus. Ciao.